Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a YouTube video link with timestamp. So first head over to youtube.com, click on enter, and then open up the video that you want your link to be copied. You can either search your favorite video, your required video, or I will just click a random video from my homepage, and then I will just move the slider to my required timestamp. Let's say I want link for the video to be copied right from this timestamp. So I will just move the slider to the required timestamp and click on this share button. And then on this tab, you will see this option on the bottom left, start at. Just check it and then copy the link from here. And there you go. Let's test it. I will just go to the new tab and close this tab. Paste the link here and then enter. And there you go, the video is playing from this timestamp that we had selected earlier. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.